recently discovered that there's a new way of extracting your hand-drawn or painted motifs from a background after you've scanned them in, or in this case this is an export from Procreate. Now apparently it's been here since 2021 version of Adobe Photoshop, but I've only just seen it in 2022 when I recently upgraded. So this, as I said, this is from Procreate. I did some watercolors and I exported as a JPEG with the view that I wanted to extract them from the background, but the center of the roses here I wanted to keep the white because I was going to add like a watercolor texture over it, but I need to remove it from the background, and it's a good way of showing you how this works. Okay, so over in your toolbar here there's what's called the quick selection tool, and if you don't see it, it will be under object selection tool, and there's the quick selection tool. It's really easy to use. You just drag your mouse over the items that you want to extract and it works so fast. Now see here where it's grabbed part of that background, if you just press your option key, then that takes away from the selection, so you then just are back with that one selection, and you continue till you've grabbed everything you want to extract from the background. And see there, it's grabbed a bit of the background. So again, I'm pressing my option key and just putting that back. And if you need to zoom in to do that to get exactly precise, then you can do that. And then at the top here, it says select subject, select a mask. If you click select a mask, it will then open up a window here, and as you can see, it's already removed the background. But along the side here are all these different sliders. Now, I have found so far that I don't need to use them, but if you're not happy with the edge of some of these, then contrast, a little bit of contrast will make the edge a little bit sharper. Smooth, obviously, it will make it a bit smoother. The radius will show you more of the background. I mean, I think you need to zoom in to see it, but I've yet to really use any of these sliders, but they're there if you need. And then right at the bottom here, it says output to. There's lots of options. I just find I'm happy with new layer. And so click that, then click OK. And there you have it. There's your extracted background. You've still got your original layer there, and then you've got the extracted motifs there. I hope that helps everyone. I found it really easy compared to the old way of trying to extract hand-drawn and painted motifs.